page. Let's We're not doing this again. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to cook up a crazy Opium beat on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. Let's use a Chase the Money 808 to begin with. Let's take a string preset for this. I'm thinking let's lay down some power chords. Alright, let's pitch this down a little. Let's add some kind of volume gated effect. So let's create a quick automation clip. And let's add this saw gate sound. Add some thermal. Let's turn off this filtering here, I don't like that. Right, let's save this before we forget. Opium. A little more distortion. Right, we're going to come back to this. Let's go straight onto the drums. Snare. Cowbell. And then we want an open hat. Crane X4. Right, let's layer this with some kind of pads. More pads. Another pad. Let's just start adding some crazy stuff right now. Alarm. That is sick. Now let's use some kind of rack kick. Yeah, drums are sounding hard. Right, let's send these to a mixer track. Let's add a tiny bit of reverb. Okay, let's add some vocal to this. 1, 2, 3. I don't wanna. We're not doing this again. Oh. My page is burned! Right, let's take this. Let's pitch this up too. Right guys, I think we're done. Here's how the final track sounds. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments what type of videos you'd like to see next.